I thought it would be fun to do a simple craft video and show you how to make a basic pair of wire wrapped earrings. They'd make a nice gift. You could make them festive or themed. You can use your favorite glass beads or even gemstone beads if you like. Once you have the basic techniques down and you own the tools, you can really make a lot of different styles and types of jewelry. It's also a good thing to do when we're stuck inside. You know, a lot of us are right now, so it's a good hobby or craft to learn. So first thing I want to do is just show you really quickly what tools you're going to need to get started. The tools you're going to need are flush cutters, needle nose pliers, and flat nose pliers. And I also have sterling silver head pins and also some earring wires in silver. Here's my box of beads. I've got some glass beads, metal beads, some gemstone beads, and I went with these foiled beads and some silver spacers and then some small crystal beads. The first part is just going to be to put your beads on your wire. Even though my left arm is still a little bit weak, I can still do this pretty quickly. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You're supposed to use pliers when you wrap the wire, but I kind of like using my hands. In a minute, I'm just going to show you how to do it step by step. But I just wanted to run you through it really quick and show you what it looks like. So getting started, the first thing you want to do is get your beads onto your head pin. You're going to take your flat nose pliers and make a bend, and you're creating space. It's going to look like this. The next thing you're going to do is take your needle nose pliers and you're going to start to create a loop. And you might need to reposition your pliers like I did. Now, once you have your loop, you're going to take a hold of it with your needle nose pliers, and you're going to take your flat nose pliers and start wrapping the wire around the space, going from top to bottom. And when you're finished, you get all the way to the bottom. It's going to look like this. And you're going to use your flush cutters to clip off the little tail part and tuck in any loose wire. Put your ear wires on and you're done. Once you practice and you learn how to do this, you can start making other things like this bracelet, where I just wire wrapped the pearls and I attached it to some chain. You can also attach it to like a fancier ear wire like this if you want to like change the look a little bit. Another fun thing to do with chain is just with these little loops that are called jump rings. You can attach like beads or gemstones to chain, and you can make earrings like this dangle earring. That was short, sweet, and hopefully clear. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Take care and stay safe.